Good morning to you all. Today I am going to make you understand about the male reproductive system for class 8. This is for class 8. ये मैं आपको बताने जा रही हूँ क्लास 8 के सिलेबस के अनुसार मेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम. In this video we will come to know the different organs which are involved in this system and their function, and we will come to know about their function. तो सबसे पहले हमें ये जानने की जरूरत है कि इसमें कौन कौन से organs involved हैं. They are testes. This testis is plural. Why? Two testes are found. Singular it is written TES, TIS. So testis is there, scrotum is there, vas deferens, or you can say sperm duct, और आप उसे sperm duct भी कह सकते हैं. Then urethra and penis. These are the organs involved in male reproductive system. More than this, there are some glands associated with this system. We need to know about those glands also. What are those glands which are associated with system? These glands are Cowper's gland, prostate gland, and seminal vesicle. And they are seminal vesicle. These three glands are associated with this system. So now let us go through the structure and function of these all organs. Male reproductive system, as I told you, they have two testes inside the scrotal bag. ये दोनों testes जो हैं एक बैग में पाए जाते हैं. They are oval in shaped. If we talk about the testes, one by one I will be writing about their structure. If we talk about testes, they are oval in shape. They are two in number. ये दो हैं. कहाँ? They are present in scrotum. What do we mean by scrotum then? But before that, what is their structure? I told you their function. They produce sperm. ये क्या produce करते हैं? sperm को form करते हैं. और ये जो process है sperm formation का इसे हम कहते हैं spermatogenesis. The process of the formation of sperm is called spermatogenesis. Another function is to secrete one hormone. एक hormone release करते हैं जिसे हम कहते हैं testosterone. This hormone is known as testosterone. What is the function of it? It is responsible for the secondary sexual character and the formation of sperm. So this is about testes. Now we have to know about scrotum. What is the scrotum? Scrotum is a bag-like structure in which testes are located. And this scrotal bag is outside the body. Why it is hanging like outside the body? It is because these sperms which is formed in the testes, there are millions in number, और इन sperms के लिए को जिंदा रहने के लिए लो टेम्परेचर की ज़रूरत होती है. हमारे बॉडी के टेम्परेचर में अगर इन स्पर्म्स को रखा जाए then they'll be killed, or you can say they'll die simply. वो inactive हो जाएंगे, वो मर जाएंगे. So this temperature of this scrotal bag is 1 to 3 degrees Celsius lesser than your body temperature. That is why testes are found in scrotum and sperm is formed there. Then what happened? Then these sperms are given to the vas deferens. This is what? Vas deferens, or you can say sperm duct. इस ट्यूबुलर स्ट्रक्चर को हम स्पर्म डक्ट या vas deferens कहते हैं, जिससे होता हुआ स्पर्म कहाँ पहुँचता है? ब्लैडर में पहुँचता है. वो they get stored here, they come from here, यहाँ से फिर ये यूरेथ्रा में आते हैं. दिस इज व्हाट? यूरेथ्रा. They are taken, these sperms are taken by the vas deferens to come to the urethra. यूरेथ्रा में आने के बीच में ही ये तीनों ग्लैंड्स पाए जाते हैं। कौन से ग्लैंड्स? दीज ग्लैंड्स आर कॉपर्स, एज आई टोल्ड यू, प्रोस्टेट, एज आई टोल्ड यू, एंड सेमिनल। ये तीनों जो ग्लैंड्स हैं, ये तीनों रास्ते में पाए जाते हैं। दे आर बिटवीन द यूरेथ्रा एंड द वास डिफरेंस। एंड डू यू नो व्हाट दे डू? दे प्रोड्यूस these glands produce milky secretion. For what do you know? To provide medium for the movement of sperm. You know well, sperm moves very fast. Then they need energy for the fast movement. So this milky secretion also provide nutrients for their fast movement and energy. These things are provided by these milky secretions which are produced by the glands. And then this sperm start moving very fast to get fertilized or to fuse with the female reproductive cells called eggs. So to reach to the female reproductive cell, they need more and more energy so that they can run fast. Millions of sperms, they run together. Whosoever reach fast, they get fertilized. And this all is provided by this glands. Finally, they come to the urethra. Urethra is the common passage for urine and semen. What do we mean by semen? Semen means sperm plus this milky secretion. इसे हम क्या कहते हैं? इसे हम सीमेन कहते हैं। तो ये जो यूरेथ्रा है, ये सीमेन एंड यूरिन का कॉमन पैसेज है। थ्रू it comes to the last portion of the male reproductive system, which is known as पेनिस। इसे हम क्या कहते हैं? इसे हम पेनिस कहते हैं। थ्रू विच sperms are released inside the female reproductive part for the process of fertilization. So I hope you people have understood it well, class 8, and if you have understood, I would be waiting for your comments. Like and subscribe, and don't forget to share this video to the other students. Thank you all of you. Thank you very much.